So, it's autumn, end of September, sometimes sun, sometimes rain, sometimes wind. It's 5 degrees. So, what's the best thing to eat? I go for hot chocolate special. I already prepared it. Hop. Add hot water to it. It looks dark because it's tea, but it's still the same. Stir it. So, and now comes the special. Guido knows it. You take a Bounty, small one, break it for the half into the chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to find it. This is so nice. So, this was the hot chocolate special. I'm going to drink it now.